This is the Woodford 55402 stem assembly for the Woodford models 65 and 67. Now the assembly will come with this brass, almost rod shaped portion, and then the rubber plunger as well. Now it will have these two holes here, one on each side, and then the hole here for the internal female threads, as well as this little flanged portion here. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of it. We'll start with a complete total length. So from end to end, it measures right above 4 1/4 inches, so right at about 4 3/8. And we'll go ahead and measure just the plunger assembly. And that measures right at about 3/4 of an inch. And then we'll get an inner and outer diameter from this end here with those female threads. The outer diameter measures right below 3/4 of an inch, and the inside diameter measuring right at about 1/2 inch. So once again, this is the Woodford 55402 stem assembly.